screening a.
Hello?
Hi there. It's Francis from Facebook. We wonder if this is the owner of the Blackwater project, please. Hello.
Hi, Francis.
Hi there.
Hi.
Great. Yes. Is now a good time to call you? Hello. Speak. So she hung up. That sucks. Actually, I feel a bit of relieved too, because I don't suppose I got myself adequately prepared to make this cold call. But in any regard, yeah, never mind. I'm just gonna launch another cold call to another human individual. Too busy to pick up the phone? Oh my god. Never mind.